Are you stuck in a perpetual cycle of financial struggle without even realizing it? Despite your best efforts, certain habits may be silently keeping you poor. From misguided financial decisions to detrimental lifestyle choices, these habits can prevent you from achieving financial security and prosperity. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you've just discovered a space where we dive deep into the fascinating realms of minimalism, frugal living, and so much more. If these topics captivate you and you find value in the content, please show your support by liking this video and taking a moment to subscribe. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who are interested in these life-enhancing topics. In this video, we'll explore 16 money habits that could be holding you back, and we'll delve into strategies to break free from them. 1. Seeking money advice from the wrong people. Many individuals turn to friends or family for financial guidance, but if those individuals are also struggling financially, their advice may not be the most reliable. Instead, consider seeking advice from financial consultants or successful individuals who have achieved financial stability. 2. Putting money in the lottery and gambling. While the allure of winning big may seem enticing, relying on luck-based endeavors like the lottery or gambling can drain your finances without offering any substantial returns. Instead, focus on investing your money wisely in ventures with proven track records of success. 3. Spending on wants, not needs. It's easy to succumb to the temptation of purchasing luxury items or indulging in unnecessary expenses. However, distinguishing between essential needs and frivolous wants is crucial for maintaining financial discipline. Prioritize spending on necessities and allocate any remaining funds towards savings or investments. 4. Not keeping track of expenses. Without a clear understanding of where your money is going, it's challenging to make informed financial decisions. By meticulously tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and implement measures to curb unnecessary costs. 5. Buying things you can't afford with money you don't have. Using credit cards or loans to finance purchases beyond your means can lead to mounting debt and financial instability. Before making any significant purchases, assess whether you can afford them without resorting to borrowing money. 6. Playing the status game. Constantly comparing yourself to others and striving to maintain a certain image can be financially draining. Rather than succumbing to societal pressures, focus on aligning your spending habits with your personal values and long-term goals. 7. Relying on a single income stream. Depending solely on a single source of income leaves you vulnerable to financial setbacks such as job loss or economic downturns. Diversifying your income streams by exploring additional sources of revenue can provide a buffer against unforeseen circumstances and enhance your financial resilience. 8. Keeping a job you hate. Remaining in a job that brings you dissatisfaction and stress can negatively impact both your mental well-being and financial prospects. While leaving your current job may seem daunting, pursuing opportunities that align with your passions and interests can lead to greater fulfillment and financial success in the long run. 9. Wasting time and money. Engaging in unproductive activities or procrastinating instead of actively seeking opportunities to improve your financial situation can hinder your progress. Invest your time and resources wisely by prioritizing activities that contribute to your personal and professional growth. 10. Too much YOLO thinking. Adopting a "you only live once" mindset can lead to impulsive decision-making and short-term gratification at the expense of long-term financial security. While it's essential to enjoy life, striking a balance between present enjoyment and future planning is key to achieving lasting financial stability. 11. Unwillingness to learn how money works. Lack of financial literacy can severely limit your ability to make informed financial decisions and leverage opportunities for wealth accumulation. take the initiative to educate yourself about fundamental financial concepts and investment strategies to empower yourself financially. 12. Living paycheck to paycheck. Failing to establish an emergency fund or savings buffer can leave you vulnerable to financial crises and perpetuate a cycle of paycheck to paycheck living. Start prioritizing saving a portion of your income each month to build a financial safety net for future contingencies. 13. Unhealthy lifestyle choices. Excessive spending on vices such as fast food, alcohol, and tobacco not only undermines your physical health, but also drains your financial resources. By adopting healthier lifestyle habits and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can improve both your well-being and financial situation. 14. Wanting money. Fast and easy. The allure of quick and effortless wealth can lead to susceptibility to get-rich-quick schemes and risky investments. However, building sustainable wealth requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Focus on steadily growing your assets through prudent financial management and strategic investments. 15. Thinking poverty is fate. Accepting poverty as an inevitable fate can lead to complacency and resignation, preventing you from taking proactive steps to improve your financial situation. Challenge limiting beliefs and empower yourself to pursue opportunities for growth and advancement. 16. Faulty thrift shopping habits. While thrift shopping can be a cost-effective way to save money, indiscriminate spending on discounted items you don't need can undermine your financial goals. Practice mindful consumption by prioritizing purchases that align with your needs and long-term objectives. By identifying and addressing these detrimental money habits, you can take control of your financial future and embark on a path towards lasting prosperity.